Anatomic Terminology 101. We're going to start with anatomic directions. Okay, so you got to think that superior is your head, inferior is your feet. My head is superior to my feet are inferior to my head. Then we have anterior and posterior. Anterior is chest, posterior is back. My chest is anterior to my back, meaning it's in front. My back is posterior to my chest, it's behind it. Then we have proximal and distal, relating to the limbs. Proximal is closer to the point of attachment, distal is further away. So my elbow is proximal to my hand, meaning that my elbow is closer to the point of attachment than my hand is, and it's vice versa. The hand is distal to the elbow, meaning that the hand is further away from the point of attachment than the elbow is.
1.
Next we have the planes of movement. Now let's start with the sagittal plane. Sagittal plane cuts the body into left and right pieces. It has a frontal axis, and common exercises and movements of that are extension and flexion. And then we have the frontal plane, which cuts the body into anterior and posterior parts. And it has a sagittal axis, and common movements of that are abduction and adduction. And then finally we have the transverse plane, which cuts your body into superior and inferior pieces. And it has a vertical axis, and common movements and exercises of that are rotation, so rotation, rotation.
1.
Next we have the body regions. So cranial covers the head, frontal is your forehead, nasal, orbital, otic, buccal, mental, oral, throat, cervical, clavicular, acromial, brachial, antecubital, antebrachial, tarsal, palmar, dorsum. And then we have coxal, which is your hip, abdominal, sternum, pectoral, mammary, and then femoral, patellar, anticrural, dorsum of the foot, and then plantar, which is your sole.